a flawless home to have a fresh start this year, you just need a few simple shifts that actually work. Choose one visible surface and clear it completely. Visual clutter creates the most stress in our homes. So start with the flat surfaces that seem to be clutter magnets and get rid of all the stuff on top of it. If you want, put a nice decorative item so it doesn't get cluttered again. A single clear space creates instant relief and signals a fresh start. This one is more of a mindset one, but it is absolutely critical. Release one expectation that makes homemaking feel heavy, dreary, and just not it. Fresh starts begin in the mind before they ever begin to show up in the home. So if there's something that is absolutely stressing you out, let it go. We're not doing that this year. Instead of trying to focus on everything at once, pick one homemaking focus at a time, whether that be weekly, monthly, or quarterly. Focusing on one area of homemaking will make everything just feel simpler. Not to mention, it will drastically help to improve that area. And before you know it, that area will be under control and you can move on to the next. You could choose to work on anything from cooking, meal planning, budgeting, deep cleaning, you name it. But one area at a time, it's what's going to totally change the game. Begin homemaking with your current energy, time, and season. We're all in different seasons of life, and that's okay. My fresh start doesn't have to look like yours. Focus on the season you're in, the home that you're given, the family that you've got, and that will absolutely make all of the difference. Not to mention, if it's yours, it'll stick. And we absolutely have to make it fun so that it can get done. Every aspect of homemaking, from washing the dishes to doing laundry to scrubbing toilets, let's be sure to be making it fun. Play your favorite videos, music, podcasts, do a little dance, whatever it is that you have to do to make it fun, and it'll absolutely get done. Fresh starts don't require new systems or a complete overhaul. Just use what you already have. Using what's already in your home keeps things simple and sustainable. And speaking of simple, if you want even more simple homemaking tips, then check out this video here and I'll meet you there right now. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.